How to buy AETHRA token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure first to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token because this is much important. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. And the liquidity here are locked by 98%. That's good. That's meaning investment in the safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use PayPath wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. And as you can see, click on this plus icon. But before that, make sure to read that alert warning. Read all of that, and if you're ready to go, click on confirm. After that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back, and after that, find your token that you just added. That's called AETHRA. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap here, switch from here, and from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now start, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AETHRA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.